While the world is switching to renewable energy sources, nations set ambitious sustainability targets to support the transition. Germany is one of the global forerunners with its energy transition plan, aiming to build a society where 80% of energy production by 2050 will come from sustainable and affordable renewable sources. However, increasing the share of renewables in the energy system this significantly requires Germany to have reliable balancing power to respond to the fluctuations in power supply. Consequently, the nation will be relying on flexible, fast-acting power generators. One such fast power source is owned by the municipal energy producer Kraftwerke Mainz-Wiesbaden that commenced Wärtsilä's state-of-the-art 100 megawatt flexible CHP power plant to serve the local markets.
This combined heat and power plant by Wärtsilä runs on gas, allowing KMW to turn the plant on or off in just 2 minutes. This flexibility guarantees reliable and efficient power supply in the city of Mainz. And KMW's efficient and affordable district heating reaches approximately 40,000 households.
In addition, this flexible solution together with the life cycle services allows KMW's operations stay profitable as renewables take over the higher market share. KMW will be able to start their power plant whenever and sell electricity to the European Energy Exchange when the pricing is favourable for them. So this generates an entirely new revenue stream for them.
This partnership helps our customer to future-proof their investment. As the higher levels of renewable energy turn the power market increasingly volatile, this solution is showcasing that flexible power plants are really the ideal future partner for renewables.
The construction of the power plant is now completed, and the plant is ready to produce sustainable and affordable electricity, as well as district heating to the citizens of Mainz. The collaboration of KMW and Wärtsilä paves the way for Germany and the global energy market in the transition towards 100% renewable energy future.